Hi everyone, this is Daryl Roth of Roth's Muscle Car Workshop in Colorado. Just wanted to do a short video how to install rocker panel moldings on a 1969 Camaro. This also works the same on a 67 and 68 Camaro. They're exactly the same. But anyway, what I've done is I've already installed the mounting strip. And I know a lot of people have questions on which side is up on the mounting strip. The round side is down, the flat side is up. It's got to be installed that way for it to go on correctly. That's the way it was from the factory. What I've done is I've also taped some tape on the ends of these moldings so they don't scratch the paint. It's always a good idea to do that. And I've also marked out with some 3/4 inch tape on each end to help me get my spacing right. So what you do is you want to start putting the molding on the top side. You want to hook it over the edge of the top first. Just making sure it's all the way. I'm pushing down slightly, making sure that it's clipped on the top edge all the way, the whole length of the molding. You're gonna have real problems if it's not clipped the whole length of the molding. So right now I'm pressing down slightly on that top edge, and I can tell by the feel it's going in. Now what you want to do is I just put my palm over the molding at the end of the mounting strip and push down and in, down and around. Keep working it, coming back, down, down and around. You heard that one probably snap right on in. And there it is, effortlessly. It's right in the right spot. It went on correctly. This is the easiest way to do it, the best way, the correct way to do it. On the ends I have to drill holes. What I'm going to do is drill an 1/8 inch hole through there. And when you angle your drill, you want it going in at the same angle the rocker panel is. You don't want to go straight in, because when you screw it down, it's going to pull the molding down. If you go too much at an angle, it's going to want to pull the molding up. So anyway, keep your drill at a 90-degree angle to your rocker panel, and that'll give you your screw angle correct for that hole. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.